Today's video, we are talking about the most reliable used cars under $5,000. These are not just random beaters, these are cars you can actually rely on, and they are perfect daily drivers and they won't let you down. Only $5,000 is not a selection of cars, but these are the top 5. First car on the list is an obvious one, a 2009 Toyota Corolla. It has a 1.8 liter engine, which is a 4-cylinder. It's the ultimate set it and forget it car. With basic maintenance, this engine is known to last forever. It's super fuel efficient, parts are cheap, it's the best way to have no drama and no surprises, and it's ideal for daily commuting and if you want good fuel economy. This car is recognized internationally and one of the best cars you can buy for this price point. So if you don't like spending money on repairs, you should look into a Corolla. The next reliable car we have is the 2006 shape Honda Civic. This is interchangeable with the Acura CSX. This car is smooth and efficient, and as long as you keep up with maintenance, this car is really reliable. It's a perfect balance of reliability and fun, perfect for young drivers or anyone who wants a little bit more personality with their daily. It's more customizable. You can buy a generation older or maybe a few generations older. So this is a more sporty option with aftermarket support and more potential to customize. Civic has historically been a balance of reliability and fun. It's perfect for young drivers and anyone who wants a little bit more personality in their daily driver. It comes in a coupe and a sedan, and it's a great car to get you from point A to point B. The next car we have is the 2009 shape Mitsubishi Lancer. This is a really nice, aggressive kind of style of car. The design is quite nice, but it's a 2-liter, so it is fuel efficient, and it may not be as reliable as Honda or Toyota, but it has decent reliability. It's priced better than Hondas and Toyotas. The advantage you have is that you can get a car with lower kilometers in comparison to the Toyota or the Honda. Reliability standard may not be at the same level as Honda and Toyota, but it's a really good option and it's a perfect car for beginners. If you're looking for something with more power, you can look at the 2008 Honda Accord. This comes in a 3.5 liter V6 and a 2.4 liter V4. Engine on this car is bulletproof, especially on the V6. It gives you more space than what you would get in a Civic or Corolla. Along with that, there's more options because it's a mid-size sedan, and it also has an Acura counterpart, which is the Acura TL, that you can also probably find in the same price range. The next car is a 2009 Toyota Camry. The car is very similar to the Honda Accord, but it's not as sporty and it's more on the reliable and economic side. There's not a lot of aftermarket support for these cars, but the resale value is amazing. So if you buy it, you can probably drive it around for a few years and sell it for the same price you bought it for, which is quite impressive. The Camry comes in a 2.4 V4 and a 3.5 liter V6 engine, both of which are really reliable. The reason Toyota makes reliable cars is because they stress test everything extensively and they rebuild until they make something that won't break. Two honorable mentions are the Subaru Impreza and the Subaru Legacy, and also the Hyundai Elantra. These cars are not as reliable, but you can find them under the $5,000 mark, which makes them a good option. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.